One fantastic tool to personalize your email using photo or meme is Lemlist. It allows us to be super creative to stand out from the dozens of other prospective emails your lead receive daily. Most people have a good sense of humor and will really appreciate your messages more if you make them laugh. It makes a huge difference. And I still don't understand why some sales reps use other outreach automation tools that don't allow image personalization. In your sequence, I recommend adding up to 3 images and playing with the different personalization elements. Most common elements you can play with are the following. You can play with the first name and last name. For instance, this is something I use a lot, is the following up with the whiteboard, where you say follow up with Jessica Smith, and here you will have Elon Musk, Roger Federer, Jack Ma. And you tell them, P.S., my whiteboard to-do list reminded me to follow up with you. And they usually like that a lot. They say, can you please cross my name out of the list? I responded to you, ha ha ha. And it's a pretty good way to connect with them. Or you could also following up with a virtual coffee. Here is a virtual coffee for you to continue your day. They also like that a lot, or they say, oh, I prefer hot chocolate, and it really starts the conversation. Another way is to use their company logo or their company website or a screenshot of their company website. Basically, you could say, hey, our team discovered a different project on your website, and we would really love to connect with you. And this is pretty cool because they see their website and they see their company logo. This is done automatically with Lemlist. So Lemlist will go and visit their website from the email address we have. It will use the domain name, and the logo, we scrapped the logo using Phantom Buster, and this is how Lemlist will be using that image to populate this personalized picture. Also, something else, you could use their LinkedIn profile picture and make a funny photo montage relative to your offering, like this is the president of our nonprofit organization, this is me, are you the next Queen Bee? And here, instead of this blue picture, you would have their profile picture. That can be a little bit tricky, depending on what you're offering, it works. Imagine if you receive an email like this, how would you feel? How would you consider my message? Would you consider it more? Is the relationship between the two of us becoming more human? And are you more willing to send me a reply? Probably, I guess. And this is why this is very, very important. If you need any inspiration, you can check out our suggestions. We regrouped everything in one document, and you can also check the different examples on the website of Lemlist.